Many of our old videos hold some of our best memories, but because early cameras weren't great, or the lighting wasn't ideal, those precious moments often end up blurry, noisy, or way too dark to see clearly. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you how to restore your video quality in seconds, whether it's noisy clips, old footage, or challenging night scenes. Now, let's jump right in. Before we get started, make sure to download and install HitPaw VikPea. I've put the link in the description below. Once it's installed, open HitPaw VikPea, go to Old Video Enhancement, and click Get Started. Now we can officially begin restoring the video. First, let's import an old video clip. Since this footage was shot on an old DV camcorder, it usually comes with a few common issues, like low resolution, soft focus, and compression artifacts. So here, we'll use the decompression model first to clean up the blocky compression and restore texture. Then switch to the sharpen model to bring back clearer details and make the clip look crisp again. And here's the result. You can see the blocky artifacts are reduced, and the details look sharper and more natural. Next, let's take a look at a clip with heavy noise. Import the video, choose the denoise model, adjust the level if needed, and then click Export. You can see the messy grain is basically gone, and the whole clip looks clearer and more polished. Finally, let's check the low light restoration. Import your night clip, go to the AI color section, and select Low Light Enhancement. Then just click Export. You'll see the difference right away. Alright, and that's it. In just a few clicks, you can bring old, noisy, and low light footage back to life with HitPaw VikPea. And the best part is, it also comes with plenty of other powerful enhancement models, so feel free to explore and find the perfect one for your footage. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.